Hi, in this video, I will show you how to send a fax in Outlook. So, an important note, Outlook cannot send a fax directly by itself. To fax from Outlook, you need a fax service provider like eFax, MyFax, Fax Plus, RingCentral Fax, and much more that gives you a special fax to email address. Now, you can sign up for an online fax service by navigating to any fax provider and creating an account. So type in fax services online and hit enter, and you can use any website like WiseFax. Click on online fax service option. You can use any website you want, or you can also type in, for example, eFax, and after navigating to an online fax provider, you can create an account and they will give you a fax number and a special email format, and this is the address you will send through Outlook. After you do this, you can open Outlook and click New Mail. Now, in the To field, you'll have to simply type the provider's fax email format that you've got from the fax website. The number is the recipient's fax number. Now, after you do this, click Attach File and select the PDF, Word file, or image you want to fax. So click on this icon and choose Browse from Computer. Select anything you want. After you do this, your fax service will convert the attachment into a fax automatically. If you want a cover sheet, type the message in the email body. Fax services automatically include it as the cover page. Click Send after doing this, and Outlook sends this mail to your fax provider, and the provider converts it into fax. Then the recipient receives it as a fax. So, most fax services sends a confirmation email telling you whether the fax was delivered successfully. So that is the simple way it's done. And what you need for this process is Outlook on desktop or web, online fax service subscription. Some also offers free trial. And also you will need supported file types like PDF, Word docs, JPG, PNG, Excel sheets depending on provider. So that's the simple way through which you can do this. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.